Hello, welcome to New Money Methods. Again, my name is Jackson, and in this video I want to teach you something that is called triangular arbitrage trading system that you can do on Binance P2P trading and make yourself some decent income every single day trading on P2P on Binance. So with this system, you can at least make $100 every day doing a couple of trades on Binance. So I'm going to show you and break it down to the smallest points so that you can understand it and how you can go about it to earn yourself some decent income trading on Binance P2P. So without getting further ado, if these are the kind of videos that you like to be seeing on YouTube right here, kindly smash that subscribe button, and I welcome you if you're the person that has been watching my videos, or if you're already my subscriber, kindly smash that like button and let's get into the video right now. So what is triangular arbitrage trading system? So it is called triangular because it is shaped in a form of triangle, right? So and anything that has arbitrage trading, it means you're buying low and selling high. So these are the things that we are going to be looking at, how you can buy low and sell high on Binance P2P through Binance merchants and earn yourself some decent income every single day. So for example, if you check on my triangle right here, you can see for the case of this video, we are going to use UGX. That is my local currency here in Uganda. So we are going to use UGX. And with UGX right here, then we will use UGX, my local currency, to buy USDT, right? So we will use UGX and buy USDT on Binance. So after acquiring USDT, then we will exchange USDT in an external market. So we will use Nigerian market. So we will link up with a Nigerian guy who will again buy our USDT and send us our money back, but with profits, right? So this is basically how it will work. So we'll use our UG currency and acquire USDT. So after we have acquired USDT, then we'll go ahead and sell USDT in Nigerian Naira. So in the Nigerian market, that is where they will send us back our money with profits, right? So let me now show you basically how it is going to work. So it works in a way that, because globally you understand our currencies are not all the same, right? So we have different currencies, and how different they are also different in terms of value or the power, right? So what we are going to be doing, you'll be getting, for example, like I told you, my local currency here, UGX is different from dollar, and dollar is different from Nigerian Naira, or Nigerian Naira is different from Kenyan shillings, basically. So as after understanding this concept, now we will take this concept of the difference in the markets and use it to buy particular coins that have the common value, right? So for example, we'll be talking about BTC or USDT or basically the dollar, right? So when we buy these coins and own them, so we will again sell these coins to an external market and booking ourselves the profit. So this is how it's going to work. Let me now take you to Binance basically and show you how we are going to do this. So right now I'm going to go to Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account already, I will leave the link in the description from where you can sign up and get started with P2P trading here. So right on Binance, you just need to head over to P2P trading there. So when I click that, so it will bring me here. So click I have read and I agree. So now after, it will bring you this whole list of people that are selling USDT in Uganda, and I'm going to show you basically how it works. So for example, if we select this guy right here, you can see each USDT is selling it at 3,760. So this is the USDT value at how much you can buy it in Uganda. So let me just write it somewhere so that we don't forget it, right? So let me get a notebook right here. So we said each dollar we are getting it at 3,760, this guy right here. So we are getting $1, 1 USDT, we are getting it at 3,760, right? This is UGX, right? Now I'm going to be like, I'm going to buy from him and basically I show you. So when you click on buy, now I want you change to crypto, right? So go to crypto, and then so we are going to assume we want to buy 100 USD. So 100 USD, it will cost us this amount of money, which is 376,000. So let me go again and save this. So if we are buying 100 USDT, let me put some space. So if you are buying 100 USDT, we will be paying 376,000, right? UGX. So that's the amount that we'll be paying. That is the amount that we'll be paying when we are buying 100 USDT. Let's say you have gone ahead and bought. So if you don't know how to buy USDT on Binance, I have a video that you can check through that will teach you how you can buy this USDT. So like for me, I already have this USDT on my account. So if I want to sell, right, I have paid 376,000, and now I have 100 USDT in my account on Binance, right? So now what do I do after having that? So after having that, I will now shift and change to Nigerian market right here. So let me do that. So with Nigerian market, I will put Nigerian Naira, right? So I will select that, and I have read. So you can see my currency has changed, and now, sorry. Okay, let me agree to that. So you can see my currency here has changed, and I'm now in the Nigerian market. So what does it mean? You can see the value of 1 USDT has changed now. In Uganda, it was at 376. Yeah. So this was in Uganda, but now you can see in Nigeria it is 751. So I'm going to show you how we can take the difference of that. So now let me show you the most exciting part right here. So if we get to this 751.30, and let's go to Google. So on Google we put 7361. It was 751 751.30. This is Nigerian Naira. I want to change it to UGX, right? And click search. Let me show you something. So whereas in Uganda we are buying 1 USDT at 3,760, Nigerian people are buying it at 6,219 Ugandan shillings, right? So let me show you what it means here. So what does it mean here? So it means for the Nigerian guy who wants to purchase 100 USDT, let me show you. Let me just head over to, you see the prices are changing, that is normal. So let me head over to buy to one of these guys. Let me head over to buy. So let me show you how much these guys pay for 100 USDT. So put 100 here. Let's say you want to buy from Nigerian guys. These people will pay 145. Let me put that on Google. Let me pay that on Google. They'll pay 145. I think, yeah, 145 Naira, Nigerian Naira to UGX. So let's click search and see how much that is. So you can see for them 100 USDT, they will roughly pay 600 and 220,000. You get the difference. So now let me also write it here on my clipboard. In the Nigerian Naira, if they want 1 USDT, they will buy it at 751. They will buy it at 751.45 Nigerian Naira. So it means if you want 100 USDT of Nigerian money, you will have to pay if you want 100 USDT of Nigerian money, you will have to pay you will have to pay 751.45 Nigerian money, right? Nigerian nairas. So this is what we are seeing here. 100 USDT, you will be paying this one, 75145 Nigerian nairas. So this is what forex is doing. So now let me show you how you can use this on your advantage. So we already have 100 USDT in our Binance because we have bought it from a Ugandan guy at 760,000. You get? So we already have this 100 USDT on our Binance. Now what we need to do, we are going to sell it to this market because this market is somehow expensive. So what we will do, we just change from buy here and go to sell. So again, if you don't know how to sell on Binance, I also have a video that you can check through and it will teach you how you can sell your USDT. So but remember, we bought it from Ugandan market and now we are selling it to Nigerian market. So now what you're going to do is just change to sell right here and it will bring you these guys that are selling from Nigeria, right? So let's just click on sell right here. And right now we are going to put here quantity. We are going to sell 100 USDT, 100 USDT right here. We are selling 100 USDT. So it means with 100 USDT, this person will send you 75,300. So let's see how that money is. So if you're buying, so you're selling, now you're selling on Nigerian market. You're selling on Nigerian market. 100 USDT, they will pay you 75,300. They will pay you 75,300 Nigerian naira, right? Okay, 3, this is 1, right? So now let's go ahead and see how much this is in our market. So we copy that and go to Google and we are going to ask so we are going to paste 775,300 Nigerian nairas to Ugandan shillings. So let's search and see. So basically that is going to be 623,000. You get? You bought it, now you're selling it at 6. You bought it at 376,000. You are selling it at 623,000. So you're selling it at, now how much now you're selling at 623 326 326 UGX, right? So this is the money that you're going to receive right from the Nigerian guy after buying your coin. So let's get to the calculator and see how much profits that you make. So let me go to calculator. Where are you, baby? So get 623 326, and you're going to subtract 37,600. So 36,000 right here. So you can note the difference. So you bought it at this amount, 376,000, and you're selling it at 623,000. So net you make profits of 247,000. So let me see 247,000, how much that is in USDT. So you go to 247 247, just I will not put other numbers to be conservative. 247,000 UGX to USDT, right? And hit search. So you can see this is 66 USDT. So now that is just in a single trade that will take you maybe a couple of minutes. So that means if you do these trades, if you do 2 or 3 of these trades, you'll be earning more than 150 US dollars every day, and just by using the internet, by just using P2P trading. So that is it, guys, how it works. Now you need to get how you can how that Nigerian guy can send you back your money without these fees. Because for example, I just stated something. If Nigerian people have cheaper cash right here, and if you search here, you can see guys who sell with cheaper cash right here. But the moment you use cheaper cash, it will wipe out all your profits, right? You will receive money as it is in Ugandan value, right? So definitely you will need to use different methods of payment, and then you can contact the Nigerian guy and tell them how they are going to send you your money conveniently with low fees, so that you can maintain huge profits, right? So how can you get these guys to send you this money from Nigeria to your accounts just for free without using these payment methods listed by the Binance? So now the fact that this video is getting too long, so I think I'm going to do that in part of this video. But for now, if you feel you want to do this, you can just contact me on my Telegram. I'm going to leave the link to my Telegram chat room in the video description. You can as well as chat me up on my WhatsApp, and I'll give you the guide and help you along to make sure that you start making this simple money. So you just need to contact these guys, share with them. You can actually make friendship with them, business friendship with them, so that they can help you up in doing these transactions. So that is it, guys. I hope the video was wonderful. So if it was, kindly smash that subscribe button, like the video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye bye and take care.